Are you ready to discover the ultimate solution for prison security? ACTi's Q550 is here to transform the way you think about safety. With cutting-edge features and unbeatable performance, this camera ensures that every critical area in your facility is protected. This is security like you've never seen before. In a prison, surveillance is everything. The Q550's 8MP multi-imager camera delivers a 180-degree panoramic view, perfect for monitoring hallways, perimeter walls, and visitor entrances. Its wide coverage leaves no blind spots, ensuring you're always in control. Replace multiple cameras with one comprehensive solution that simplifies operations and enhances efficiency while keeping costs under control. Nighttime security in prisons is non-negotiable. The Q550 provides 24/7 full-color imaging with white light LED and infrared support, ensuring that even the smallest details are visible. Its 130 dB extreme WDR captures every detail in high-contrast lighting, making it ideal for monitoring the perimeter at night or tracking activity in critical zones. Day or night, your facility remains fully secured. Intelligence is the key to proactive security. The Q550's built-in AI detects behaviors like unauthorized access, line crossing, or illegal gatherings. It significantly reduces false alarms caused by environmental factors, allowing you to focus on real threats. With features like people counting and sound detection, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance safety and operational efficiency across your facility. Take action before threats escalate. The Q550 features active deterrence with white light LED, red and blue flashing lights, and a 3W built-in speaker. When unusual activity is detected, such as escape attempts or tampering, these alarms activate immediately, providing a strong visual and audible deterrent. It's a proactive approach to preventing security breaches in high-risk areas. Prisons require rugged and reliable solutions, and the Q550 delivers. With flexible digital input-output and audio capabilities, it integrates seamlessly into existing systems. Built with IP67 weatherproofing and IK10 vandal resistance, the Q550 can withstand harsh environments and physical tampering. From monitoring outdoor perimeters to controlling access points, it's the all-in-one solution for your facility's security needs. Don't wait until it's too late. Visit ACTi's website now to learn how the Q550 can revolutionize security in your prison. Click the link below and discover how to enhance safety, reduce risks, and optimize costs with this cutting-edge solution. Take action today to secure your facility's future.